Okay, so now we're going to play a quiz. It's called the three-dimensional shape quiz. Are you ready? I hope so. Okay, I need you to grab a pencil and a paper or like a worksheet or something like that. Just a blank sheet is fine. And just write down some, like number one. We start with number one. Okay, so I'm going to give you some clues. And you need to guess which shape I'm talking about. Are you ready? If you want to, you can draw it. So for example, I'm going to help you, I'm going to say some characteristics of the shape, and maybe you can draw it at the same time to make it a bit more easier, okay? I will help you with the first one. Okay, the first shape has no corners. So I don't have corners. I have one side. I go round and round and round and round. No end to be found. What is it? So the shape doesn't have any corners and it goes round and round and round. What is it? So let's see. Round and round and round and round. I can go on forever because it doesn't have an end. So what is this? A circle. Very good. So you write down number one and then you write down circle. If you don't know how to write it, you just draw the shape. Is that a good idea? Okay, so the second one. I have 4 straight sides. I have 4 corners. And all my sides are the same length. What am I? If I have 4 sides, we're all the same length, and 4 corners. What am I? Do you know the answer? Write down number 2, and then you write down the name of the shape. So if you don't know how to write it, let's draw it. So it says, I have 4 sides who are all the same length. Okay. What else did it say? How many corners do I have? 4 corners. So here is one, here, and here. You see? 1, 2, 3, 4 corners. And how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, who are all the same length. So what is the name of this shape? It is a square. So you write down number 2 and you draw the square or you write it if you know how to do that. The next one. It's getting harder now, yeah? So be prepared. I have 5 corners. I have 5 straight sides. And all my sides are the same length. So it has kind of the same instructions as the square. Only it has 5 corners and 5 squares. No, 5 sides. I'm confused with the words today. I don't know what's going on. So I have 5 sides and 5 corners. What is that? You can draw it, yeah? So try to figure out what shape I'm talking about. And then you write down number 3 and the answer. Okay, next one. I have 4 corners, I have 4 sides, I have 2 long and 2 short sides. So 4 corners, 4 sides, 2 long and 2 short sides. What am I? Difficult, eh? So you write number 4 and the answer if you know it. And if you don't know it, just draw it. So you can try to figure out which one it is. Okay, the next one is number 6. I have 3 corners and 3 sides. That's all you get. 3 corners and 3 sides. So how can I draw that? We know that it has 3 sides, okay? 1, 2, 3. Hey. 3 sides and 3 corners. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So what am I? A triangle. Very good. I'm a triangle. Okay, next one. We're almost there. Ooh, I have 6 corners and 6 sides. What am I? Whoa, just think about a shape with 6 corners and 6 sides. What am I? Do you know the answer? That would be very good because it's very hard. And the last one is number 7. Whoa, I have 8 corners and 8 sides. 8 corners and 8 sides. What am I? Whoa, if you know the answer of this one, well, that would be super good, but that would be really, really hard. Okay, so send me a picture of the page that you made. Just send me a picture of it, and so that I can check if you've guessed it right. Okay, good luck.